Hi, welcome to our short video from the Salisbury Model Show on the 30th of May, 2026. We're covering aircraft and helicopters in this one. There were far too many to photograph, so here is a selection from the clubs that attended. Catch us on Sunday the 28th of June at the Midlands Air Museum. Come and say hello, check out our latest models and displays, and maybe even join the madness that is Just for Fun modelers. Whether you're into railways, aircraft, armor, ships, sci-fi, or anything else model related, we'd love to meet you. See you there.